In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google account security key. Setting up a security key is a great way to enhance the security of your Google account, giving you an added layer of protection against unauthorized access. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. If you haven't already done so, click on the Sign In button, typically located in the top right-hand corner of the page. You'll need to enter your Google account credentials, which means your email and password to proceed. Once you're signed in, go to your Google account home. You can find this by clicking your profile picture or initial, then selecting Google account. Once you're in the account settings, you'll want to locate the security section. This can usually be found in the left-hand sidebar of options. Clicking on this will take you to a page dedicated to all your account security settings, where you can manage how your account is accessed and secured. Now look for the section labeled Passkeys and Security Keys. This is where you will set up your new security key. Click on this section and it will lead you to a page specifically for managing these keys. Here, you'll have the option to add a new security key to your account. Select Create a Passkey to start the setup process. At this point, follow the on-screen instructions to connect a security key device to your account. Security keys come in different forms. Some are USB devices that you plug into your computer, while others can be tapped wirelessly to communicate with your device via NFC or Bluetooth. Make sure you have the security key on hand before proceeding. After you initiate the process to create a passkey, you might need to verify your identity again, possibly by entering your password once more, or potentially even using your phone for a secondary verification step. This added verification step promptly ensures that it's truly you making these changes. Once you've verified your identity, the system will prompt you to physically connect your security key device. Whether it's plugging in a USB key or tapping your device with an NFC or Bluetooth security key, follow the instructions specific to your type of key. After successfully connecting your key, give it a name within Google's system. This can be anything, but it's helpful to use a name that distinguishes it from other devices or keys you might have connected. Once named, save your settings to finalize the addition of the security key to your account. And that's it, you've now added a security key to your Google account. This extra security measure will help keep your account more secure in the digital world, ensuring your information remains protected. Thank you for watching and taking this essential step in safeguarding your online presence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.